this is it. This is the Pizza Hut. And sponsored by Sir JV Outdoors. Honey Bear, thank you so much. I'm gonna try the we have here two Pizza Hut. The meat lover that I'm going to test later. Then my favorite Hawaiian. And thank you Honey Bear for the pizza. And this is from Pizza Hut. Then I also bought potato corners. Then roasted chicken from Baliwag. So it's good to go for dinner. And thank you so much. Gonna test this one. Hello everyone. And hello sa inyong lahat. So today we're going to I will not going to unbox. I think it's my first video. It's my first video to mukbang. But I will not eat that. I will not eat this all. So we're going to taste test one of the flavors of pizza at Pizza Hut. So we have here Pizza Hut. Sponsored by Sir JV Outdoors. If you know him, a generous friend, is one of my best friend for how many years. So thank you for this sponsor, Pizza Hut, meat lovers flavor. He treat me this one because I told him during my life that I never taste this kind of flavor of pizza. Because I always order 4 cheese or Hawaiian. Hawaiian is my favorite. So I always order Hawaiian. Or sometimes spinach flavor of pizza. So he wants me to try this flavor, the meat lovers. So we're gonna try if it's really true that this pizza is yummy. We also cook this kind of pizza earlier. So we're gonna try this one. Pizza Hut meat lovers flavor. This is my first time to taste this kind of flavor of pizza. As what I've said earlier, I always eat Hawaiian, 4 cheese, or spinach. So we're gonna try. Let's go. So we'll just eat maybe 2 because I cannot eat this all. So let's try it. It's really yummy, tasty, masarap. So let's try. There's yeah, yummy. There's a hot sauce, but I don't use hot sauce. I don't want, mga chili. Yeah, it's very yummy. You're right, anyway. This one, init. Mainit. Pinagpapawisan ko. Hindi mainit yung pizza kasi kanina ko ito nagawa. And traffic, so ito yung camera ko. So ayan siya. Nakalimutan ko pala bumili ng makain na ako, tapos hindi ako iinom. It's very yummy. If you are, especially when you're very hungry. I just went home. I bought it. I dropped by to SM to buy this one because there's no near Pizza Hut here in our place. So I'll just get this one. Sarap nga siya. Maingay na yung aso ko. So, ayan. Parang gusto ko ng ketchup. So, I'm still eating. And you're true. And you're right. And it's really true, Honeybell. That is so yummy. The meat lovers flavor of Pizza Hut. And so yummy. So, is it? I'll just eat one. Then we'll eat later because rice is left. I'm gonna eat rice after this. So just one for this video. Then others later. Again, thank you, Honey Bear, for this meat lovers pizza. Yummy. So yummy. Thank you.